Have you ever wondered what would happen if rivers flowed beneath the ocean? It sounds impossible. After all, rivers belong on land. They carve valleys, carry fresh water, and eventually empty into the sea. So, how could another river exist underwater, inside the ocean itself, yet hidden thousands of meters below the surface? Scientists have discovered vast channels where dense currents move like flowing rivers. Some stretch for hundreds of kilometers, carving enormous underwater valleys that rival the largest canyons on Earth. Most people will never see them. Ships sail above them every day without realizing they are there. And these invisible rivers quietly shape our planet in ways that affect marine life, global climate, and even the oxygen we breathe. Today we are diving into one of Earth's most fascinating hidden worlds. Hey everyone, welcome to Think Loom. Today we are exploring the incredible hidden rivers beneath the ocean and discovering why these unseen currents are far more important than they first appear. So let's dive in. When we picture the ocean, we usually imagine a vast body of water stretching endlessly across the horizon. It looks calm from above. Even beneath the surface, we often picture a giant still expanse filled with fish, whales, and coral reefs. But the reality is very different. The ocean is constantly moving. Powerful currents travel across entire oceans, carrying enormous amounts of water from one side of the planet to the other. Some of these currents, like the Gulf Stream, are well known because they influence weather and climate. But not all ocean currents stay near the surface. Far below, where sunlight never reaches, another world exists, a world of deep underwater valleys, towering cliffs, and rivers that never meet the sky. These underwater rivers don't contain fresh water like the rivers we're familiar with. Instead, they are formed by differences in the properties of seawater itself: temperature, salinity, and density. Understanding these three factors is the key of unlocking one of the ocean's greatest secrets. At first glance, all sea waters looks identical, but in reality, not all seawater weighs the same. Cold water is denser than warm water. Water with more dissolved salt is also heavier. When water becomes colder and saltier than the surrounding ocean, imagine pouring heavy syrup into a glass of water. Instead of mixing immediately, the syrup sinks to the bottom and spreads out along the base of the glass. A similar process happens in the ocean. Dense seawater slowly sinks beneath lighter water, creating enormous underwater flows that travel across the seafloor. These currents can move for thousands of kilometers before gradually mixing with the surrounding ocean. Although they don't have visible riverbanks, they behave remarkably like rivers on land. They follow valleys, they change direction around underwater mountains, they split into branches, and over millions of years, they carve gigantic channels into the seabed. One of the most spectacular examples lies beneath the Atlantic Ocean. Here, the scientists have mapped vast submarine canyons, some larger than the Grand Canyon itself. These underwater valleys guide dense currents just as mountain valleys guide rivers on land. As the heavy water accelerates through these narrow passages, it carries sand, mud, and tiny fragments of rock. Over time, this moving sediment acts like sandpaper, slowly eroding the seafloor. The result is an incredible landscape of winding channels, steep cliffs, and deep underwater valleys that remain almost completely hidden from human eyes. Some submarine canyons extend for hundreds of kilometers. Others plunge deeper than many of Earth's tallest mountains are high. And unlike rivers on land, these landscapes exist in complete darkness. The only light comes from the occasional research submarine exploring this mysterious world. One remarkable example is the Denmark Strait, located between Greenland and Iceland. This region is home to one of the most extraordinary underwater flows ever discovered. Here, cold, dense Arctic water spills over an underwater ridge before descending into the deeper Atlantic Ocean. The drop is astonishing, more than 3,500 meters, that is over 2 miles deep. If we measured it like a waterfall, it would be by far the tallest waterfall on Earth. In fact, it's more than 3 times taller than Angel Falls, the world's tallest waterfall on land. But unlike waterfalls we can visit, this one remains completely hidden beneath the ocean's surface. No crashing waves, no mist, no roaring sound, only an immense flow of dense sea waters slowly cascading into the deep ocean. It's one of the largest continuous movements of water anywhere in our planet, and most people have never even heard of it. Discovering these hidden rivers wasn't easy. For centuries, humans could only observe the ocean from its surface. Everything beneath remained a mystery. It wasn't until advances in sonar mapping, satellite measurements, deep sea robotics, and autonomous underwater vehicles that scientists finally began revealing the true shape of the ocean floor. What they found completely changed our understanding of Earth's oceans. Instead of a flat seabed, researchers uncovered mountain ranges longer than the Himalayas, volcanoes, gigantic trenches, and networks of underwater valleys stretching across entire continents. Flowing through many of these valleys were powerful currents that behaved remarkably like rivers, except these rivers were invisible. Unlike freshwater rivers, their boundaries could not be seen with the naked eye. They were defined by subtle differences in temperature, salt concentration, and density. Only precise scientific instruments could detect where one body of water ended and another began. It was like discovering an entirely hidden landscape that had existed beneath humanity all along. And the more scientists explored, the more surprising the discoveries became. But these hidden rivers do far more than carve the ocean floor. They are part of a massive global circulation system often called ocean conveyor belt. As these deep currents travel across the world's oceans, they transport cold water, oxygen, and nutrients over thousands of kilometers. This slow but continuous movement helps sustain life in some of the deepest and darkest parts of the ocean, where sunlight never reaches. Without these currents, many deep sea ecosystems would struggle to survive. They also play a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate by redistributing heat around the planet. In many ways, these underwater rivers act like the ocean's circulatory system, quietly keeping the planet in balance. Scientists continue to study these currents because even small changes in temperature or salinity can affect how they flow. As our climate changes, researchers are closely monitoring whether these deep water movements could slow down in the future and what that might mean for weather patterns, marine ecosystems, and global climate. While much is still being studied, one thing is clear: these hidden rivers are far more important than their invisible nature suggests. Perhaps the most fascinating part is that we have explored only a small fraction of the deep ocean. Every new expedition reveals landscapes, species, and geological features that challenge what we thought we knew about our own planet. Beneath the waves lies a world as mysterious as outer space, and these underwater rivers are just one of its many hidden wonders. So, next time you look out across the ocean, remember that beneath its calm surface, enormous rivers are silently flowing through the darkness, shaping the seafloor, supporting life, and helping keep our planet alive. If you enjoyed this documentary, let us know in the comments what surprised you the most about these hidden rivers beneath the ocean. And if you would like to discover more incredible stories about our planet, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ThinkLoom, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next documentary. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.